What's up, everybody? This is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm so excited about giveaway number 2. And this one's going to be a little more interesting because I really want you to put some thought into this to actually win, but it's going to be actually a really cool prize. So I'm calling it the old school giveaway. And the reason for that is I want you to, give away one old school marketing technique, advertising technique that you're doing, and also add one new school advertising marketing technique that you're going to start doing. It could be doing video on LinkedIn, video on any social media platform. It could be just changing the way you try to connect with consumers. So, and here's what the prize is going to be. We're going old school. Super Nintendo Classic. This is the authentic one from Nintendo. So it came out around Christmas time. It's got about 30 some games pre-installed on it. Awesome. The thing's sold out. Actually got my hands on a couple of them. Want to give one of these away to one of you. So here's how you win. So first thing you do is you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So whether you're on LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you're watching this, go to my YouTube channel. Just type in Sean Michael Lewis and you will find it there, and subscribe. Now, the second thing in order to win, which is very simple, you're going to list two things. Number one, the old school advertising marketing technique that you're going to give away. And number two, what's the one new thing you're going to start doing right now? Not in a week, not whenever. You're going to start it today. I don't care. I don't want to hear excuses. It's one old school one you're going to get rid of and one new school technique. And I'm also going to actually do a phone call, Skype, or something with whoever wins as well. And we're going to talk about your progress with that as well. So again, win the Super Nintendo Classic Edition. Many of you guys probably remember when this first came out. It's got all the games on there. The original Mario Kart, Star Fox, and many more. Donkey Kong Country. Lots of fun games. So, to win it, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave one of two things. Old school technique you're getting rid of, and a new school technique you're going to adopt. So, good luck, everybody. Hope you all have a fun time doing this, and it actually makes a revolutionary change for your business. So, hope you guys are doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Later.